Welcome. Today, I will guide you through this magical practice and shift your state. We will perform a powerful energy cleanse, leaving only yourself, your silence, and your energy. Right now, close your eyes, sit comfortably, cross your legs, place your hands palms up on your knees, and take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Let's take another one. A deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. One more. A massive inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. As you relax, you let go of all your fatigue. You let go of all your fears. You let go of all your worries, all your emotions and frustrations from this week, from this month, and from this life. As you release, you become totally cleansed. As you release, nothing troubles you anymore. As you release, you come into balance with yourself and your world. Breathe in and breathe out. On the exhale, you already feel relaxed. On the exhale, you already feel lightness. On the exhale, you feel rest in your body. Feel each and every cell. Now imagine a round sphere around you. It protects you from the outside world. Now, from this sphere, energetically send out rays. You're pulling a rope from your body, pulling, and from the very center of your body, a black rope is emerging. This is the rope of fatigue, the rope of blocks, the rope of worries, the rope of aggression. Keep pulling this rope from yourself. Imagine you're pulling out all the dirt, all the frustrations, all the accumulated emotions. You're expressing them right now. You're no longer holding anything inside. You are living through this anger, this aggression. It exists within you, and you accept it. It's an integral part of you, but now you're ready to express it to the world. You no longer want to hold it inside. Keep pulling this black rope. You can imagine the things clinging to this rope, what it's pulling out along with this dark thread. You're pulling out more and more. Here are judgments, fears, opinions, things you've struggled to let go of for a long time. It's all there. This is the rope. You're pulling it endlessly. Sometimes this rope takes hours to fully come out of your body. Keep going. Pull the rope. Pull it harder and harder and harder. More and more. Pull this rope out of your body. I will leave you alone with this serious practice, with this powerful release. Now pull the rope, pull, and do it until it's in your hands, until you see its end, until you know you are totally cleansed. Keep pulling this rope from yourself, emotionally freeing every cell in your body. This no longer belongs to you. You are pulling it out with your black rope. Now return to silence. You did it. You've pulled everything out. The rope has evaporated. The rope is burned. It no longer exists in you. You are free. Imagine yourself in the sphere. Imagine yourself in the circle. This sphere is crystal clear. You are protected. Your boundaries are clearly defined. When you don't want something, you can say you don't want it. When you don't like something, you can say you don't like it, and not be afraid of being hurt, not be afraid of someone taking offense. You are totally cleansed. You are totally protected. Your boundaries are restored. You don't have to fear the attacks of others. You don't have to fear the manipulations of others. You clearly understand where your place is, where your comfort zone is, where your safety zone is. And now, having protected all your boundaries, having cleansed yourself, feel yourself in total safety. Feel that this world loves you. Feel that this universe loves you Feel that no matter where you are in the world, you are in total safety. This world will always protect you. This world will always be with you. You are safe right now. No one will encroach on you or your freedom. You are clean. You are safe. And you are in love. You love this entire world. And this entire world loves you. You are beautiful. You are strong. Now, as tightly as you love yourself, give yourself a hug. Tightly, 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 tightly. As tightly as you love yourself, as tightly as you want happiness for yourself and your loved ones, as tightly as you want to be rich, as tightly as you want all your dreams to come true, hug yourself right now. I believe in you infinitely.